When you want to disinfect your hands, you may reach for a bottle of hand sanitizer. But how effective is hand sanitizer compared to washing with just soap and water? Is one method really better than the other? What is the best one for our biome?
Your health from the inside out.
On a very close level, your hands are anything but smooth. They have peaks and valleys, folds and rifts, and can provide plenty of hiding places for bacteria and viruses. If you then touch your face, the bacteria can infect you. This is why it's so important to keep your hands clean. Let's make sure our hands are clean. Here's the lowdown. Which method is better? Experts agree that if you're given a choice for cleaning your hands by hand sanitizer or washing them with soap and water are more effective than hand sanitizers at removing certain kinds of germs and viruses. But make sure you wash your hands with soap and warm water for about 20 seconds. If you can't get to a sink, hand sanitizer is better than not doing anything at all. According to the American CDC, alcohol-based hand sanitizers can help reduce the amount of germs and bacteria on your hands, but they do not get rid of all types of bacteria. Still, experts say that if you're going to use hand sanitizer, use one with at least between 60% alcohol, but not over 95%. You don't want it to be all alcohol, as there needs to be a bit of water in the solution to cause the reaction to kill the bacteria. Here's how best to use hand sanitizer. Dab hand sanitizer gel in your hand and rub your hands together for about a good 20 seconds. Because of the intricate landscape that is your hand, you want to get it all over your hands, sides, back, front. If your hands are dry after just a few seconds of rubbing, it's likely that not enough sanitizer was used. You might need to play with the sanitizer amount needed to get this right. 20 seconds might seem like a long time and may take a little getting used to doing as well. However, as we mentioned, hand sanitizer may kill viruses and certain bacteria, but it does not, quote, clean your hands, unquote, like soap and water do. When washing, use water and wash for about 20 seconds as well. Heavily scrub both the back and the front of the hands and the fingers. Scrub the entire hand. There's an old trick that works well to help with the time needed. Try singing the happy birthday song twice as you wash, and that will be the 20 seconds needed. Are you enjoying this video? Then please give it a thumbs up, as that really helps others in finding this information. Why do we wash and when? The CDC says that most viruses and bacteria come from human and animal feces. This explains the food contamination that sometimes occurs in raw salads or meats. Contamination can happen on an incredibly small microscopic level. A study from the Netherlands showed that 1 gram of human feces, about the weight of a paperclip, can contain 1 trillion germs. That's why personal hygiene is so important and can help your body keep its health. Oh, and it is not only feces that can contaminate people. Droplets of saliva from sneezes and coughs can also linger in the air and contaminate. This is why covering your mouth when you cough or sneeze should be a habit. The droplets are even projected into the air when you speak. The droplets land and survive for a few days, especially on metal and plastic. So that means that they can be found often on doorknobs and light switches, as well as on gas nozzles at service stations and countertops in public establishments. Listen, when we start to look closely at this issue, it can put us into overwhelm, and that's not the point. We just want to bring this issue to light so you know about it and can process the information. In the end, we are all living with a new normal. Check out our channel videos and the description below for more tips and health ideas to help own your biome. And thanks for subscribing.